If your car's AC takes forever to kick in, or if the kids in the back are sweating buckets during road trips, I feel your pain. I got tired of the complaints, so I went out and bought the 5 most popular car fans on Amazon to test them out. I checked the battery life, wind speed, and how easy they are to mount, so you don't have to waste money on weak fans that just blow hot air around. Product number 1: Gaia Top Mini Portable Stroller Fan. I started with the Gaia Top Mini. When I first picked it up, I noticed the legs are made of this grippy silicone, which is great because it actually stays put when you wrap it around a car headrest. The coolest feature here is that the fan head pops right off the tripod. I didn't have to unwrap the legs every time I needed to charge it. I just grabbed the head and plugged it in. The slots on the cover are tiny, about 5 mm, so I wasn't worried about my toddler jamming their fingers in there. It's definitely on the smaller side, but for a direct breeze on a car seat, it works perfectly. If safety and ease of charging are your main concerns, this is a solid pick. But if you need serious battery life, you might want to see the next one. Product number 2: Kuni 10,000 mAh Clip-On Fan. Then I grabbed the Kuni, and wow, this thing is a beast. It doesn't use tripod legs, instead it has this massive heavy-duty clamp. I clipped it onto the grab handle above the door, and it didn't budge even over bumps. The main selling point here is the massive 10,000 mAh battery. I ran this thing for nearly 24 hours on low without needing a recharge, which is insane for a long road trip. It pushes a lot of air too, thanks to the larger 8-inch blades. It charges pretty fast via USB-C, which is convenient. If you need maximum airflow and don't want to remember to charge your fan every single day, this is the powerhouse you want. However, if you prefer those flexible legs for versatility, check out this next option. Product number 3: AMACOOL Battery Operated Fan. I checked out the AMACOOL next. It goes back to that flexible tripod design like the Gaia Top, but the legs felt a little more rugged to me. I wrapped it around the back of my car seat and it held its shape really well. What makes this one fun is the LED lights built into the face. During a night drive, it acted like a little nightlight for my kid, which actually helped keep them calm in the dark. The battery is smaller, only 2600 mAh, so it died faster than the Kuni, but for short trips to the park or the grocery store, it's perfectly fine. If you do a lot of night driving and need that extra light feature to keep the little ones entertained, this is a great little option. Product number 4: Momkazi Portable Stroller Fan. That led me to the Momkazi, which honestly feels like the premium version of the tripod style. It combines the best features of the previous fans. It has the flexible legs, but it also packs a massive 8,000 mAh battery. I got over a day of use out of it easily. I really liked the natural wind setting. It fluctuates the speed so it doesn't feel like a constant, drying blast of air in your face. Like the Gaia Top, the head detaches for charging, and like the AMACOOL, it has lights. It's basically the ultimate hybrid. If you want the flexibility of the tripod legs but refuse to compromise on battery life, this is hands down the winner in that category. But maybe you don't want batteries at all. Product number 5: Tripole Car Fan USB Powered. Finally, I tested the tripole. This one is totally different because it has no battery inside. You clip it directly onto your AC vent and plug it into a USB port. Since there's no battery, I didn't have to worry about leaving it in a hot car and ruining the lithium cell. It spins incredibly fast, up to 3,800 RPM, and it's designed to boost your AC. If your vents are weak, this pulls that cold air out and blasts it right at you. It's small, doesn't block my view, and stays surprisingly quiet. If you're the driver and just need a boost to your existing AC without worrying about charging anything, this is the most practical solution. So if you need a battery beast, grab the Kuni. If you want a safe, flexible option for the kids, the Momkazi is my top pick. I've put links to all 5 in the description below so you can compare the current prices yourself. Thanks for watching and stay cool out there.